So after a little bit of break, now we decide to recover Hermes. Let's just do that. I might need some help.
Yeah, sure. I'll push.
Okay. Yes, enough.
Yeah. Oh my.
Just recovered.
ನೋಡಿದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್. Extreme trail.
No damage done. All safe. Bale. And you can hear both of us panting. This is because it's extremely tough trail, and it is never ending. I think it's a dead end there.
Is it?
I think so.
Where is it going to?
Let me know.
Yeah.
So the advantage of 21-inch wheel combination with 18-inch, okay, is this, that you can easily climb those rocks and all of it. And now let's continue.
Lot of elephant poops here.
Oh. This is by far one of our most extreme trails that we've done. Oh. And a lot of elephant dunks around. This could be like a proper elephant corridor. Not too sure. Oh boy.
This is it. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಗಿತು. But the trail continues.
Okay.
But unfortunately we cannot go.
Okay.
ಮರ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay, then I will not come. I think clutch might take a toll.
Yeah. We just turn here.
Done.
ಸರಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊತ್ತು ಇರೋದು ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್
of
lot of a lot.
Anyway, it's a dead end, so I'm not going up, and I just
ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಿರೀಶನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಗೋಪುರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೂ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್. But one crazy trail, dude.
Oh yeah, man. One amazing trail. Oh. Like the main essence the main essence of this trail is inclination. So you have more incline than decline. So it's all about incline climb.
ಈಗ ಇಳಿಸುವಾಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
So now we are declining, and declining is a little tricky here because of a lot of stones, and you end up having your front wheel on the one of these bolster, and that will just change your direction and give you a jump, which is not necessary.
What I feel is in this scenario, the 21-inch wheels is a boon.
Yeah. Right. That's what I told, no? For you, the boon is here, the 21-inch wheel.
Correct.
That's acting or being on your... Huh?
And the tires.
And the tires, of course. So it's
Trailer. Amazing. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದಾ ಎಂತೆಂತ ಕುತ್ತ ಅಪ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. Amazing tires.
This is where I had my drop, and I didn't realize when I stepped on one of the
ನೋಡಿ
this thing.
ಕಾಲು ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನಿವನ್ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ 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 ಹೈಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಲು ಇಡುವಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ.
That was one of the most trickiest surface to ride on.
Crazy trains.
Good we came for a recce, dude. Otherwise, I think we would have had it. What do you say? Huh?
Correct.
And guys, in these kind of terrain, you should have one of these boots, which will help. If you don't have one of off-road boots like these, can be anything. But if you don't have it, you will definitely sprain your leg. Because because a lot of uneven surfaces, you end up having falls which is unexpected, like the one which I had, and you'll have to suffer from that.
Start today.
Ooh. Shucks. ಮೂಲು ಅಲ್ಪ ದೊಂಬುಂಡಿ ಮೂಲು ಊರ್ನ ಒಂದೇಟು ಉಂದುಗ ಹಾಂ ಎದುರ್ಬೋದು
ಮನೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತ 24 360 ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಡು, ಬಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಉಂಟು.
ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್,
yes, especially elephants, leopards,
snakes.
yes,
Snakes will be a common thing for them.
yeah, still a common for them. Oi.
ಎಂತಿತ್ತು ನಾವು when in doubt throttle it out.
Exactly.
ಅವು ನಾನು throttle ಮಂತಿಜ ಬೂರ್ದು ನಾನು
in doubt throttle it out.
That's the golden rule of off-roading. Whenever you are in doubt, don't brake or stop, just throttle out of that situation. And I just got Hermes serviced yesterday, so the power is completely out now. It's like full power. It's good fun. Oh, this is mind-boggling train, mind-boggling.
Crazy train. Lot of beautiful. Otherwise it would be. Hello.
Hello, hi. Ellie here, elephant.
ಅರ್ಧಬೇಡ
ಹೆಂಗಲ್ಲ ಬೊಂಡ ಪುಡಾತದ ಪರು
ಒಟ್ಟಿನ ಕಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಆ ಟ್ರೈಲಿಂದ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಉಂಟು, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡನ್.
ಓ ಬಾಯ್ ಓ ಬಾಯ್ ಓ ಬಾಯ್.
ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ, ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂತ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ಮಲಜಿ.
That was unexpected.
Yeah.
Second fall. Oh. Are you okay? Hey, engine off. Inge stand ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. You're okay, right?
Yeah. That's the benefit of wearing a riding gear.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. No.
Riding gear is important, especially boots.
Yeah.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಎಂತ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅವತ್ತು. riding gear. Yes. So ಈ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆವು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಉಂಟು ಕೆಳಗೆ. We'll explore that.
We'll go to the junction and take some rest.
Yeah. ಇನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರು.
Okay. So this trail has been crazy. You see the undulation here? So I was trying to get out of the undulation, and that's when the 18-inch tire didn't favor me. So it failed to take me up, and I had to drop.
5 minutes break doesn't work.
After the fall, I was all fine. Nothing happened in terms of